How do we say I, he, she, or us in Twi? Stay tuned as we find out these and more in the next couple of minutes. Hi, my name is Yao and I welcome you to the first video lesson under the Twi vocabulary module. In this lesson, we get to know the various personal pronouns we have in Twi. You may visit www.learnakan.com for the text version of this lesson. The lesson is in two parts. First, we will look at the subject pronouns there are. Then we follow up with the object pronouns. With each pronoun, we will give one usage example. So, if you are ready, let's start with the Twi subject pronouns. I, me, me, me. Mijare anopa, mijare anopa, mijare anopa. You, wo, wo, wo. Wudidi mprensa, wudidi mprensa, wudidi mprensa. He or she. And it is worth noting here that there isn't a gender distinction between the two as far as Twi pronouns are concerned. So, for both he and she, we use ono, ono, ono. Okasa dodo, okasa dodo, okasa dodo. It, eno, eno, eno. Etiye, etiye, etiye. We, yen, yen, yen. Ya, suma, won. Yasuma won, yasuma won. You in a plural form. Mo, mo, mo. Mwapra dainumu, mwapra dainumu, mwapra dainumu. They, one, one, one. Wosru kramainu, wosru kramainu, wosru kramainu. I'm sure you may be wondering why we mentioned ono for he and she, but the example given was okasa dodo, with just o being identified as the subject pronoun. Again, for the pronoun it, we said its Twi equivalent is eno. However, for its usage example, we had etiye with e identified as the pronoun. We also got to know that the Twi equivalent of the pronoun we is yen, yet we identified only ye in its example as the pronoun. And finally, the pronoun they is identified as one, but for its example, we only had wo as the pronoun. Well, this is only a vocabulary lesson, so we cannot delve into why we had those changes. If you want to know why, please visit the website and check the grammar lesson on subject pronouns. I have left a direct link to it in the description box. Let's now look at the object pronouns. Again, if you don't know the difference between subject and object pronouns, please visit our site and check the grammar lessons on subject and object pronouns. Me, 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 me. Kofi jare me, anopa. Kofi dware mi anopa. Kofi dware mi anopa. You. Wo. 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 Ma fe wo. Ma fe wo. Ma fe wo. Him or her. No. 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 Bua no. Buano. Buano. It. No. No. Ama ate no. Ama ate no. Ama ate no. As. Yen. Yen. Warisiri yen. Warisiri yen. Warisiri yen. But in natural speech, we say wasiri yen. Wasiri yen. Plural you. Mo. 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 Owusu fremu. Owusu fremu. Owusu fremu. Them. One. 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 Amponsa bo one. Amponsa bo one. Amponsa bo one. Let's take a look at them one more time. Congratulations on completing this lesson. I will encourage you to go over it at least one more time and try memorizing as many of the Twi pronouns as you can. Did you enjoy the lesson? I will feel encouraged if you spend a few seconds to do any or all of the following for me. Give the video a thumbs up, share so that others can find the video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel to receive regular updates when new lessons are posted. Catch you next time. Thank you.